I love a lowball offer.
Why's that?
Well, I don't. I hate a lowball offer. I think it's an absolutely ridiculous idea, unless,
It's been on the market for an extended period of time and maybe
yeah.
something worth considering. But for the most part, if you're writing a lowball offer, there's a very good chance you're going to be offending the seller. This is where they've raised their children most likely. They've had all these emotional experiences, Christmas, Easter, holidays, whatever. And they are going to be offended and they might not even respond.
And worse than that, if you decide then to rewrite, there's going to be competition and you've lost that opportunity of being first to the gate. And they're going to look at everybody else's offer but you, the guy that doesn't appreciate their home. And so you have to pick a price that's strategic if you really, really want it. If you're an investor and you don't care, who cares? Go ahead, throw some stuff at the wall, see what sticks. But if you want it and you love it and you can afford it, you got to be smarter than that.